A drug is available as 120 milligrams per 6 mils. Here is our have, one of those quantities connected as a ratio will act as our have in the formula. And the question says what volume of solution is needed to administer 100 milligrams of the drug. Here that word administer, give, indicating that the 100 milligrams is our want, what we need to give to the patient. So our usual formula, want over have times the third quantity, many times the volume, will equal. So 100 milligrams is our want. And I will write the unit into the formula because that will help us verify that the two quantities have units matching. The have is one of those two quantities, the 120 milligrams or the 6 mils. In this case, it will have to be the 120 milligrams simply because we want the two units here to match and cancel out as we do the calculation. Multiplied by the third quantity, in this case actually the volume, and look at that, we've used the 100 milligrams, we've used the 120 milligrams, the only quantity left, the third quantity, is the 6 mils, which is the volume in this case. So in this case the formula want over have times the volume makes perfect sense. Otherwise we always say times the third quantity. So what do we get here? We could do a little bit of calculations manually, but we probably should also estimate a tiny bit. So let's see, the unit left is mils, so our answer is going to come out in mils. We can cancel at least 1 0 of each of those quantities, dividing both by 10. So we have 10 over 12. And if we wanted to simplify this again, it would be dividing both by 2, we would have 2 into 10 goes 5 times, or half of 10 is 5, half of 12 is 6. So we actually would have 5 6s times 6. And of course you can go straight to the calculator. It's just a different way to check that your calculator skills are working as well. 6 into 6 goes once, so our final answer is 5 mils. So we could simply have entered 100 divided by 120 times 6. We would get still the same 5 mils as an answer. Read the question again. What volume of solution is needed to administer 100 milligrams of the drug? 5 mils.